Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by securing your data and preventing lockouts. First, backup photos, files, and app data to Google Drive or a PC. This protects content because reset erases user data. Once done, make sure the tablet is charged to at least 50% or keep it plugged in to avoid interruption. Finally, disable or note Samsung and Google account logins to prevent factory reset protection issues. You need those credentials to set up the device afterward. You now move into the technical middle of the process. With the tablet off, press and hold the correct button combo, typically volume up plus power and home or Bixby, until the Samsung logo appears. This boots recovery mode. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to navigate because touch usually won't work, and press power to confirm selections. Select Wipe Data/Factory, Reset to clear user data. This is the crucial step that restores factory settings and removes installed apps and accounts. You finish by confirming and restarting the tablet. After selecting Wipe Data/Factory Reset, highlight Yes and press Power. The device will delete user data and return to recovery. Next, choose Reboot System Now so Android restarts cleanly. This may take several minutes while apps optimize. Make sure to sign back into your Samsung and Google accounts once setup prompts appear to restore purchases and backups. If the tablet fails to boot or shows a boot loop, try reflashing official firmware via Odin or seek authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.